It's that time of year, and unless you live somewhere in the tropics where the sun is shining and the palm trees are waving in the air, you might be faced with seasonal affective disorder, or SAD. SAD is a real disorder. It is something that myself as a psychologist will diagnose. It actually affects about 10 million people every year, and then an additional 10 to 20% of the general population will experience some symptoms related to seasonal affective disorder. Symptoms are basically very similar to depression. So symptoms include things like either sleeping too much or not enough, some loss of appetite, some loss of interest in things that you otherwise like to do, maybe some issues related to fatigue, and just this overall kind of helplessness or just sadness. There's things that you can do though, so just know that. And one of them, which might seem a little hokey, has shown to be pretty effective, is called light therapy. So there are lights that are sold that are sort of UV protected. I don't know the total science behind it, but I do know there's research that shows that light therapy can actually help to combat seasonal affective disorder. Whereas people can sit with a light right in their face, it's a special kind of light. They can read, they can watch TV, they can do things they would otherwise do, but just getting that light can actually help individuals to feel better. Other things, of course, include psychotherapy or counseling. I, of course, would think cognitive behavioral therapy, just to address some of the thoughts, the feelings, and then to kind of increase your behaviors. But if you feel like you're having any issues with this, just talk to somebody, right? Talk to your friends, try and get out more, just dress appropriately. I've got 2 dogs and I love them to death, and I always say that's true love, because in the middle of a snowstorm up here in the Northeast, we could have 20 inches outside. I just get my clothes on and I bring them outside. So as long as you're getting outside, you're staying active, certainly going to the gym is also going to be very helpful. So I'm Dr. Pete. If you have any other questions about seasonal affective disorder, just post them down below and be on the lookout, because the shrinks are going to be tackling this issue coming up soon.